Just at a Morrisons daily in Liverpool, hunting down Hot Wheels. Let's go in, let's see what they've got. I'll see you in there. Right, well, just like the Morrisons daily near me, there is actually Hot Wheels in here on loads of different strips. So we'll go around, we'll have a look and see what they've got. I remember it's £2.50, so a really bad price for Hot Wheels. And they are the long cards, not the short cards, which is a shame really. But there's tons of strips in here. I've walked past a few, so we'll go through them all. Anyway, let's get started, guys. First up, we've got the Gordon Murray Automotive T50S, which is the new variant in that mint blue, which I think is actually from K-Case. So does that mean we've got some K-Case in here, guys? I hope it does. If you don't know who Gordon Murray is, he's a British car designer that helped design the McLaren F1. So yeah, his car's definitely taken some inspiration from that, as we've said before. Very cool. Do like this new variant. I might actually take that, so I'll pop it to one side. What else have we got? We've got that Ford GT from the modified set. Very nice in that baller exhaust livery, red and white with some gold wheels. We've got a Punk Rod. We've got a Cupra E-Racer. Very nice in that second variant. I always like the fact it's got that sun strip across the windscreen there, and it says Cooper on it as well. Very nice. We do have a really good 95 Mazda RX-7 Drift in that crazy drifting livery. Now this does have that plastic bar on the front bumper there, which I think helps it to move better on the track. This is from that 70s versus 90s set. Great set for 2025. Love the fact that this has got a metal spoiler and that big exhaust on the bottom there as well. I do have this one a couple of times already, so I don't need to take this. I'll leave this one here and let's keep looking. The awesome Renault Espace F1, also from that modified set. I've got this one a couple of times. Really unique casting. You're not going to find anything else that looks like this. And it's actually got a hidden feature that I didn't know about. It's got the 800 brake horsepower engine molded inside the casting itself. I think I saw that on the Facebook group. I'll pop it up on screen if I can find it. But I've got this one a couple of times, so I'll not be taking it today. I'll leave it here. And let's keep looking. Sorry, I just want to get to there if that's all right. No, you're okay. Oh, now this looks like a good strip. Immediately we get the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Really clean casting. It does have the Ferrari badge on the front there and the headlights as well. But this is from that factory fresh set, so it is going to be a clean casting. They're all clean in that set. Each year the factory fresh set is usually really good. And I mean, it doesn't disappoint having this one in, does it? It's brand new for 2025, and you do get the Ferrari stamp on the card as well. Great casting. Second time of finding this, I'm definitely going to take it because I want to actually open one up. And with this being on the long card with that little sticky, plasticky thing on top, it's probably going to be the one that gets opened. We've got another Espace F1. What else have we got? Hauler back. High roller, drift and brake. Oh, nice. We've got a Mattel Dreammobile. I know a lot of people are after these things because they're celebrating 80 years of Mattel on the top of the card there. You can see it. And on the side of the car as well. And this has got some really nice candy red paint on it. I know a lot of people were asking if it was Spectraflame. It's not Spectraflame. It is just a metallic flake, I think it is. You can see it says 1945 on the back of the car there. Very cool. From that Celebration Racers set. A set filled with cars that celebrate events from throughout the year, like Valentine's Day, Lunar New Year and others. But yeah, this one's fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, I've got this one a couple of times, so I'll leave this one here. Now, I know these little plastic strips are not the best for when you're actually storing and displaying your cards, but they're really good for not breaking and damaging the card when you're getting them off these strips like they do in Tesco. You might have seen it on a couple of shorts that I've done, but it's kind of a double-edged sword. Anyway, let's keep looking. We've got a Dragon Wagon. We've got the Toyota GR86 Cup, very nice, but not my favourite colour of that. We've got a cone shaker. Oh, here's a great one. It's the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, and it's from that wild wide body set. Look at this thing, guys. In the Discord community, we've been talking about this one because if this one actually had real rider rubber wheels, it would be classed as a super treasure hunt. Because that metal flake is just so good on this thing. Look at the paint job, guys, and the detailing on the front and on the back as well. What a casting. I do have this one, but I'll take this to open, definitely. I know a lot of people are going to be after this. Let's pop it up here. Last but not least, on this strip, we've got the Vespa 90. Very good. Right, grab these, and I can see another strip over here. Oh my God. There's no way we put these down. Look at this. We're going straight past this Mazda RX-7 Drift, and looking at this, there's no way. There's absolutely no way. I can't go crazy because it's silent in the store, but it's the 62 Corvette Gasser. And this is a super treasure hunt. And you can tell it's a super treasure hunt from that Spectra Flame paint. It's got rubber wheels. It's got a golden stamp on the back of the card right there. And it's got the TH logo as well at the back. There's absolutely no way. This is amazing. There's no way this is in Morrisons Daily. That's crazy, man. This is my second super treasure hunt I've ever found in the wild. Oh my God. If it wasn't silent in this store right now, I'd be shouting. Look at this. Beautiful. And it's the Corvette Gasser as well. What a casting. This is from the reverse rake set. Oh man, this is going to be right up on the display. You won't know, but I've been driving around Liverpool for the past 2-3 hours, searching in stores all over the place with absolutely no luck at all. In Asda's, Tesco's, Aldi's, Poundlands, and just nothing anywhere that I went. And look at this. There's just no way. Morrisons Daily does it. But yeah, awesome, great find. I'm 100% taking that. Right, what else is on the peg? Oh my God. We've got the mid-mill. We've got the cool 67 Austin minivan with those British flags on there from the art cars. I love this one. I think that one looks great. We've got the supercharged. We also have that motor compo. We've got another 71 Mustang funny car. I saw one of these before. I just went past it though. It can be found as a super treasure hunt, but this one isn't. And this is from the Mustang 60 set. I think that's a great set for this year. I've definitely been collecting that whole set. We've got the Mustang, and underneath, there's no way. We've got the treasure hunt as well. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can see that silver stamp. Yes, we can. Beautiful. It's the Nissan Leaf Nismo treasure hunt, and it does have the treasure hunt badge on the back of the car. I love that it's in neon green. I think that's fantastic, especially for it being in the EV set as well. Really good casting. I liked this one when I first picked it up. Was it in red when it first came out, the first variant? That was nice as well. So yeah, really cool casting, very well tooled. And I always like a metal spoiler on the back of these things. Has that got a little diffuser on the bottom there? It does, doesn't it? It says Nissan Intelligent Mobility on the side, and it does say Nismo on the side skirt. This one's always had like a wide body kit on it. Who would have thought that a Nissan Leaf was sought after, eh? But this one definitely is. Anyway, treasure hunt, super treasure hunt, definitely taking this one. Last two cars in here are Track Wagon and the 2019 Chevy Silverado, which is a cool pickup truck. Let's just check and see if there's any more around here. Nothing lurking in the corners. Yeah, all done. Well, I think in this little store, I had the best hunt I've had for a couple of years now. We found some of the best castings. If I left anything that you guys would have taken, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Happy hunting. I am so happy. Oh my gosh.